In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer all your emails and contacts from Yahoo into Gmail. Whether you're consolidating your accounts or making a switch, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth transition. First, make sure you have both your Yahoo and Gmail accounts login credentials handy. This way, you can seamlessly switch between accounts without any hassle. Begin by logging into your Gmail account on a desktop browser. It's essential to do this on a desktop, as some of the features we'll be using might not be available on mobile devices. Once you're logged into Gmail, let's head to the settings. In the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page. Here, look for the Accounts and Import tab. This tab is crucial as it allows us to import emails and contacts from another account. Within this tab, search for a section labeled Import Mail and Contacts. Click on Import from another address. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the Yahoo account you want to import from. After entering your Yahoo email, click Continue. Gmail will now ask for permission to access your Yahoo account. You'll need to log into your Yahoo account next, so ensure you have your login credentials ready. After signing into your Yahoo account, you'll be asked to grant Gmail permission to access your Yahoo Mail and contacts. Confirm that you allow access by clicking Agree or Yes on the permission request. Once that's done, return to the Gmail settings page where you initiated the import. Gmail will now provide options on what you'd like to import. Make sure both Import Mail and Import Contacts are checked. You also have the option to import new emails for the next 30 days, ensuring no new Yahoo emails are missed during the migration. Click Start Import to begin the process. Be aware that this process can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on how many emails and contacts you have. It's a good idea to check back periodically to see how far the process has progressed. While waiting for everything to transfer, understand that this import won't affect your existing Yahoo emails and contacts. They'll remain intact in your Yahoo account. The process is essentially copying over your information to Gmail. Once the import is complete, you should see your Yahoo emails and contacts appearing in your Gmail account. That's it. You've successfully migrated your emails and contacts from Yahoo to Gmail. This process is designed to be as seamless as possible, allowing you to continue with your emailing needs without any interruption. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.